So this past few days, I'm just learning more and more about the beep test. What is it made for? What was the point of the beep test? Because y'all are traumatized. I played the sound 2 days ago and almost got my head down near ripped off. You guys are going back to your therapist talking about the beep test. This is military training. This is high level drills. What do you guys know that we don't know? Is it aliens? Is it like, are we going to World War III? Is this like War of the Worlds type of situation? I don't know. But like y'all are prepared for something that we clearly don't know.